would like to see how I achieve this beautiful look using LuvMe Hair wigs, keep on watching. You clicked on my video because you're confused about all the mixed reviews you're getting about LuvMe Hair wigs, right? Well, here's my unbiased opinion. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalie, and today's video is a honest review on LuvMe Hair wigs. So LuvMe Hair Wig sent me a wig to try on, and we're going to install it and review it together. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So I've worked with LuvMe Hair previously in the past, and if you want my honest truth, before working with them, I've always ordered their hair, quite honestly. And because I've always ordered their hair, I sent them a message like, why not work with them? Because they're literally one of my favorite wig companies. LuvMe Hair, I'll put on the screen. I've had their wigs for my wedding. I always have on their U-part wigs. Like, their U-part wigs are so convenient. Now, the longer you do have them, I would say one of the cons of LuvMe Hair is that it starts to shed. But other than that, the longevity, the convenience of these wigs are phenomenal. And some of them, another con that I do have is some of them will not fit your head. And I remember getting my wig installed for my wedding, and the hairstylist was like, you know, one of the things that they don't like about LuvMe Hair wigs is that the measurements for the wigs never match their client's hair. The wigs I do get, it's either too small or too big. You can't really pick a size when buying their wigs. Now you can message them to ask them which one of their wigs would better suit you in their size head. We're gonna test the waters today to see if this wig fits my head. But other than that, I love the company. So when you are placing an order for LuvMe Hair, you will get your hair within 2 to 3 days. So their shipping is fairly fast compared to most. So this is the box that you'll normally get when ordering their hair. It's the infamous purple box with the ribbon. So let's open it and let's see what's inside. So in the box you'll get review and reward. LuvMe Hair is great with rewarding and giving back. The more you order for them, the more rewards you do get. Especially if you go onto their Facebook page and you post a review and all that good jazz. You know, they thrive off their reviews and it's always good. They always love feedback. For me personally, I don't do color. My younger days, I would rock maybe one full color wig, which is typically a red wig, and I'll put on the screen. Like that's like the only wig color I've ever rocked. You won't catch me in blue, you won't catch me in pink. You may catch me in a blonde. I've never rocked a blonde wig before, but that's just not my aesthetic with rocking colored hair. That's just not my aesthetic. This time around, I wanted to try just a speck of color, you know what I'm saying? So this is the wig I got. It is, I believe this is a closure frontal wig. So I got a little streak of like honey brown to this, and I had a full colored wig before. Like if you guys look at my previous videos, I've had like a full blown wig that had this color in it, and I wanted to try it with like black hair, and look how pretty this is. And I love long hair, but in the summertime, like I'm not trying to wear some inches, you know. This is like the perfect length, and look at the curls on this. This is pretty. Again, this is how the lace looks. Very pretty. It looks like it's already pre-plucked. It comes with the comb, and it comes with the band. Now this is what makes wigs glueless, okay? So I'm going to install this as a glueless wig. We're not going to add no glue to it other than the adhesive sprays that I normally would use. But yeah, this is pretty. So let's go ahead and see what else they sent. Some people, you guys got to understand this. This is essential to making your wigs last. And once you're finished using your wig and you want to store it, put them in this bag. This literally keeps your wig fresh and ready for use the next time you want to wear it. They also sent this box. What's in it? Oh, love me a good paddock brush. So they sent this in purple, which is great. And these brushes really help detangle your hair, detangle your wigs. So definitely always use this. Don't use a comb, because then you'll be pulling out strands and you're wondering why your wigs go bald sometimes. So definitely use these padded brushes when detangling your wigs. And they send, I've personally never used these before, which I could possibly try to install it today. But I've seen this all around the social media platform, and this is what you use sometimes if you don't want to put no adhesive spray, no glue at all. You could use these headbands where the wig can lay on and make it glueless, and it won't move apparently. So maybe we'll try it tonight. They're always gonna send a wig cap. That's one thing about LuvMe Hair. They'll always send you a wig cap and a user's guide, how to use your hair wig, how to care for your hair wig. Like, this is phenomenal. Like, some people would get this and throw it out and wonder why their wigs are not lasting. Make sure you read through these hair wig guides. And that's it. That's all they sent. For me, normally what I would do is customize this wig, but again, we're looking for convenience, okay? So let's go ahead and see if this wig fits our head. I already have my stocking wig cap on. Don't pay attention to this hole right here. I've had it for a good while. This is what I normally would use for my glueless wigs. What we're gonna do is use this band and see if this wig fits. So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I got so much time. So this is how the wig is looking. I love this color. I love the bob. It's super cute, super soft. Okay, it fits great. It is tight, and you do want your wigs to be tight so you know for sure that it is secured. So again, I believe it is pre-plucked. Now, when like cutting this off, you want to be extremely careful. I know some people would use scissors. For me, I like to use a razor so that way it looks as natural as possible near my hairline. But yeah, this is super cute wig. Let me go ahead and install this band to see how secure this band is with this wig. Love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first. Alright, so now that I have the band on, it doesn't seem like it's moving with the band. Can you guys see it? You can kind of see it, but I'm not going to be putting it up. But yeah, the band's on, and it doesn't seem, this is how it looks up close, y'all. Now you may see this hump. I didn't braid my hair correctly, but like if I were to, this hair is so cute. So cute. Extremely cute. The hair is super soft, y'all, and I love how the curls are like not moving. Like, look how bouncy it is. Like, I don't even have, like, this is me running my fingers through it. It's like so pretty, so soft, silky. It feels great. And the band is banding. Let me go ahead and cut this off because I need like a bigger mirror in order for me to like cut the lace off. So let me go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, before I go ahead and cut off the lace, I wanted to show you guys the lace tinting spray that I would normally spray on my lace. So what I'm going to do is show you guys the before and after. So I am going to go ahead and use the lace tinting spray. Honestly, I don't feel like I have to. I believe they had already bleached the knots and everything, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use it. So I got this lace from Red by Kiss, and I got the color medium dark brown. And this brings your lace closer to your skin color if you're like my skin tone. Again, I feel like I don't have to, but we're gonna do it just a little bit near the edges. So this is the before. You want to kind of do this a little back from you. All right, and this is the after. All right, so this gives it, and it smells nice too. It's not too strong. So this gives it more of like a realistic hairline. It's kind of close to your hair color. So if you don't want to put makeup on, like this is like your best bet. So I highly recommend this. And if I wasn't using the band, these are the two sprays, one of the two that I would normally use when applying this around my edges to get it to really stick for a whole day. Like if you're wearing this just for one day, like, and then taking it off at night, I would say use one layer of this. But if you want it to last like 2 or 3 days, then I will use 2 to 5 layers of this and having your wig secured and then melting, you know, all that good jazz. But this is the other one. I believe this one is the better one. I would say order the red, black, and or yellow if that's all they have left. But yeah, these are the 3 sprays I would typically use when doing a glueless wig. Now this is an extreme glueless wig because we're not doing any of that other than the tinted spray and using the band. Alright, so I went ahead and cut off the lace, and this is how we're looking. Now, because this is a bit more of a beginner friendly look, someone who wants to try out LuvMe Hair, I won't go into full details as to plucking and bleaching knots and stuff like that, because for one, who has time to do all of that? I'm not a professional at all, but I do have other videos where I do go to the extreme and pluck knots, bleach the knots. LuvMe Hair is more of a convenient company, which is why I love them so much. But yeah, this is with the headband, and this is how we're looking. LuvMe Hair is a great company to work with, and there is a lot of spam LuvMe Hair accounts out there, so please be extremely careful when looking for a hair company and make sure you're on the right website. I'm gonna have it linked below. If you guys would like the link directly to this wig, please let me know. I'll leave it down in the comments. But this is how we're looking. Quick and easy wig for the summer. I just love it. Let's get my husband's reaction to this wig. How you like?
Ooh, look at her! I love that.
You love it?
Oh, you hear me? Talking to wifey.
I heard the hubby, so he likes it. I love it, and he's the type of guy where he loves minimum color, so he likes it. Great. This concludes the video. Again, if you are looking for a convenient company with great wigs, LuvMe Hair is your go-to. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing review on LuvMe Hair. I hope this answered some of the questions that you may have about LuvMe Hair. I'll be sure to read the comments and answer any questions that you may have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.